Hi, everyone. Welcome to Navigate Life Mindfully. This is episode number 18, the 5 R's. I'm Ron Demonay, and my goal, as always, is to show you that we have much more control over our lives than we may think we do. We're not victims. And in the process, I'm going to introduce some simple tools that we can use every day to navigate life with more ease. And then go about and bring about the changes that we really want in our life. So if this is something you want to learn more about, I ask that you please like and subscribe to our channel below and join me on the journey. Now, this week's episode, the 5 R's. In the last episode, we talked about meditating and how it can ease stress and ultimately help the body heal. Well, I want to continue with that train of thought relative to helping the body heal and discuss what I call the 5 R's. Rest, relax, release, repair, rejuvenate. So the first one, rest. What do I mean by that? Well, really, I mean just stop the constant doing, having to be on the move all the time. It's just something we just tend to do all the time. We just cannot sit still. We can't shut our mind down. We've got to be doing something. So to rest is just to stop all this doing. Find a quiet space and just chill. And wherever that may be, you may be standing up somewhere, you may sit or even lie down. It can be in any place where you can just be alone for a few minutes and be quiet. And then, the obvious thing to do now is turn off or get away from those electronic devices. They just capture your attention all the time. Doesn't allow you to rest. So turn off all those electrical devices. Next, relax. And with this, I mean just breathe and focus on your breath. And you can engage in any mindfulness practice that helps you unwind. Everybody has, their own. Some people like to just do breathing exercise. Some just like to repeat mantras. Some like to do yoga. It depends on where you are and what you have the capability and the ability to do at any point in time. And then, while you're relaxing, focus on how your body feels when you're relaxing and being mindful. And make note of that relaxed feeling. What you want is to get some muscle memory here. Remember what it feels like to be relaxed. Then the next one is to just release. And when we do this, you can even close your eyes. You can actually feel the tension in your body start to release. It just simply melts away. Now, thoughts are going to arise from time to time. They're just going to pop up. Our monkey mind is always active. So just release them. Let them just fade away. Don't get wrapped up into any thought. Let it come up. Let it go by. And then notice the feel-good chemicals being released into your system, because that's what happens when you relax and you get these chemicals, body's chemicals going. And I'm going to talk about a few of these. The first one is GABA, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's gamma aminobutyric acid, and it's a primary inhibitory transmitter in the brain, and it reduces nerve cell activity. And it slows the brain down and promotes a calming effect. Another one is serotonin, and it's referred to often as the calming chemical. Serotonin is important for regulating your mood, your sleep, your appetite. Next, endorphins. We all hear about that. It's body's natural painkillers. They produce feelings of well-being, and they contribute to a state of relaxation. And then there's dopamine, and this neurotransmitter is associated with pleasure and reward. Then there's oxytocin, sometimes called the cuddle hormone. Oxytocin is associated with social bonding and trust and feelings of connection. It promotes relaxation. The next R is repair. As the feel-good chemicals start to being released into your body, they allow your body to go into a healing mode. So just visualize them being released and them repairing and healing your body. The repair healing work going on in your body brings your system into that healthy state of homeostasis. And then the final R is rejuvenate. When your body stays in a state of homeostasis for a while, it restores vitality and strength. The longer you keep your body in homeostasis, the healthier and stronger it becomes. So remember the 5 R's as you navigate your day: rest, relax, release, repair, and rejuvenate. So now let's talk about your assignment for next week. Well, you guessed it. The assignment is to implement the 5 R's in your life. Actually set the intention to make positive changes in your life, starting with taking care of your body. Come up with a plan for taking small breaks during your day. And it may be only twice a day initially, but then figure out how you can ramp things up. Find a little bit more time here and there, and so you can do it more often. You can do this. Well, in our next episode, we're going to be talking about changing the world. Nothing like taking on a simple topic like that, right? So you're going to want to tune into this one for sure. Well, I'm going to wrap things up for now. Remember, 2 simple things that will make an immediate positive change in your life. Number 1, gratitude. Be grateful. Be grateful for the good things in your life right now, even though you might feel like they're not that many. Be grateful for the ones you have. Remember, the more you're grateful for the things you have, the more you'll have to be grateful for. It's a state of mind. It's a feeling that leads to more good things coming into your life. Gratitude. Number 2, be kind. Just show others a little grace from time to time, because we have no idea what's going on in their life. They have no idea what's going on in your life. So just be kind. Be kind to others. Be kind to yourself. Practice random acts of kindness during the day. It's really a feel-good thing. It'll really make a difference in your life. Gratitude, kindness. 2 things that'll immediately help you feel better and create more positive things in your life. Well, going to say so long for now. If you have a comment or question, please visit my website, rondemonatecoaching.com, and leave me a message, or send me an email directly, rondcoaching@gmail.com. I'll try my best to respond, either personally or on air. Again, I ask that you please like and subscribe to our channel. I'd like to offer these insights to as many people as I can. So with that, I'll say thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Bye for now.